Well, I'm breaking ground on preparing this area for another building. Those brown boards are laid out east to west, so this is a really good southern exposure for solar panel stuff. Just starting on this retaining wall to raise up this area a bit. We've been getting a lot more work done on this retaining wall to define the space for this next building. So more or less footprint be where these boards are. The wall height's more or less where I want my grade level to be, but on this side there's a lot of dirt to bring down. Retaining wall will probably go about to that post where those two bricks are and turn a little bit, and work to make that space flatter. You can see I'm going down pretty deep here. It's going to be a lot of work, but should be cool. I'm cutting down pretty deep here. All this dirt to the right there is going to be fill for the lowest part over there, but not so much digging as mining. Pretty brutal work. The bulk of the retaining wall for this area is done. Good part of it's still subterranean at the moment. So work in this area. It's the foundation for the next building. I got it framed out there. It's going to be a concrete slab. Still a bunch of dirt to move. We will rock out. Well, the slab preparations are almost done. The gravel put in the frame and use the plate compactor on it. And I got some 6mm plastic sheeting down. It's like two 10-foot pieces, so they're pretty heavily overlapped, and that should help prevent any moisture coming up from underneath through the floor. And the gravel might help a bit for that too. But so that's down. I got the rebar in and wired it all together, so tomorrow we'll try to get the concrete in. Well, we got the concrete into the slab frame yesterday, so I think this is pretty much gonna wrap up the landscaping video. Did this big retaining wall all the way around, and a lot of digging and backfilling. There's still this big hump of dirt there, like my dirt reserve for the future, but that'll get taken down to the same level as the slab for a little chill area. And I still got a couple of rebars to cut off of the retaining wall. Then we'll probably do a little bit more grading on the entryway to the porch there. Probably do some rock work. I'm not sure if I'll need another step or not, but I'll blend in those grades a little bit more. And otherwise, future updates will be in other videos.